Alright, so what you're about to watch is me make an absolute fool out of myself in the 2023 bow season. But it is what it is, and I'm not embarrassed to show my mistakes, so that's that. But let me see this real quick. Don't do nothing. This is a new thing we just got. Let's see the new merch. New logo. Turn around, yeah, turn around. So, let me know if you want to see more of that. But, anyhow, yeah, so enjoy.
Alright, boys, we're set up. We're set up on and we don't have much history with any of these deer here. It's our first year hunting this place. It's got a food plot in front of us. It's not come up yet, but it doesn't matter. There's so many acorns on this place. Hopefully they'll just fall down after eating acorns, go into bed, and this thick stuff in this bottom. And we can get after one. There's 3 different deer on this place we'd probably shoot. Well, 2 for sure. There's 2 giant 8s. One's like probably 160-inch 8-point. And then another one's about 140. And then there's another probably 140-inch 9-pointer. So we'll probably shoot any of those deer with a bow, but we'll get back to you when we have a little bit of action. Ooh. I hit him bad. Ooh. I hit him bad. Oh. Oh. Did he crash? I hit him so bad. I don't know how.
Hit him way up in the front.
I hit him like right in his neck.
Yeah.
He was bleeding.
Yeah, he was bleeding bad on camera. Look at the footage. It's perfect footage. Bring your bow up. I think you hit him good enough fucking where it killed him.
I can't believe I did it. I calmed myself down and I got on him.
What did you have him at, 30?
I put my 30-yard pin on him and I pulled at the last second. It was all me. It was all me. I did that pull and I pulled to the right.
So
He was.
I almost told you, hey, wait a second.
I don't know what I did, man. Just excuses are excuses. He came in perfect, man. Did exactly what, read the script. Exactly, read the script.
Yeah.
And I pulled when I shot. And I hit him. I hit him bad. I mean, he looked like he was leaking. Like he looked like he was bleeding bad, but I don't know. Like my arrow went in and hit him right in his spine. Like in his neck. It didn't go in that deep and it stopped. No excuses though. That was me. That's all me. Oh God, I hate bow hunting. I gotta learn to calm down a little bit more and breathe. But I guess we're gonna give him a while. But we'll get back to y'all.
Nice to have.
we're back in here. It's been 24 hours since the shot. Ain't looking real good. But maybe we can get back on this trail. There's not much blood at all. I mean, the arrow, literally, the arrow is like practically the only blood. I made a bad shot. Just how it is. But guess we'll get back to you if we somehow manage to find him.
Blood trail this wide, or you just because the way it right here, here's this picture. The way it kicked back in there looked like it should have hit something. But also, there's room there for an arrow to slide in. It's just nobody knows. We don't know.
All right. It's Tuesday. Come on. What's it say? Tuesday, October 31st, 2:43. I'm leaving work, got a 20-minute drive, and I'm climbing up in a tree, and we got 2 big bucks. I'm hunting 2 big bucks that I know of. I mean, there's more deer in the place, but as I know, shooters that I know of, I'm targeting, and I know names. Just it's kind of a spur of the moment. Kind of put a camera out late, and there they are. So they're chasing does, and we're gonna climb up in the tree, maybe get set up before 4 o'clock. I'm just now getting set up. There's already deer all over me. I already seen a little buck chase a doe. I jumped that giant 6-pointer. I jumped him when I was coming in. He wasn't too spooked. He kind of stopped, turned around and looked at me. You know, then kind of run off through the bushes. Then I run a couple of does off. Then the does come right back and started feeding down this bottom, so. I don't know. Wish me luck.
Alright.
drilled him. I drilled him. I think I drilled him. I think that's a dead deer, boys. Hey Siri, call Big Pappy. There's your phone call.
Alright, which one did you smoke?
I don't know, a random one.
A big one?
Yeah, a big one. About 30 yards, he was quartering away, and I tucked it right in his armpit, and it just smacked him, and he took off on top of the ridge.
Good. Alright.
It didn't. Well, I'm not trying to like say, oh, it's not. He's not dead, but it didn't like. I didn't pass through it. It only went in like 6-7 inches.
What's that mean?
I don't know. I'm just saying it. Like I think I hit him in his offset shoulder. Like I went through his vitals and hit him in his shoulder, and it didn't go in like, you know what I mean? It didn't pass through him. That's the only thing.
Body. 11 or 12. You got video of it?
Yeah.
Tom Louise?
No.
Oh, well, send me some video.
I don't know. I'll have to watch it back and all that.
Hopefully.
So, the camera died, and we waited 2 hours, and we went and checked, and we found a lot of blood. I can pop some pictures up. Found a lot of blood, and the blood never, it never ran out. After about 100 yards, he went straight up a mountain. My dad's afraid that that's single lung. He says that he thinks if they're morbidly wounded, they won't go straight up and down a mountain. So he's thinking maybe single lung, opposite shoulder, and he'll be laying there in the morning, and they're gonna get a dog on him. I got work, so that sucks, but it's part of the sport. Hopefully he's laid up top of that hill in the morning, but I'll get back with y'all. Currently laying here in my bed editing this video, but if you couldn't tell already, I ended up not being able to retrieve the deer. We only had so far on our property we could go. It was a very suburban area, and ended up losing permission because the neighbors were complaining about us looking for a deer after they gave us permission to go and look for the deer. So I'm not gonna get into it. It is what it is, but we weren't able to put a dog on him, so it is what it is. But it's bow hunting, that's how it is. But I appreciate y'all tuning in, and good luck to anybody else out there watching. But you have a good night.